Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In this video, we're exploring Matzah Flatbread Food and how it turns a simple pantry staple into fast, crispy meals with easy toppings. If you've got a box of matzah and a hungry household, you're closer to dinner than you think. Matzah is an unleavened bread that's baked quickly, so it comes out thin, crisp and dry in a good way, once you know how to use it. Because it's flat, sturdy, and mild, matzah works like a ready-to-go base for flatbread food. Think quick pizzas, open-faced sandwiches, snack boards, and sweet treats that don't require dough or rising time. This video breaks down how matzah behaves in the kitchen, how to control its texture, and smart ways to top it for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. Most ideas use common ingredients you may already have. What makes matzah work as flatbread food, and when it doesn't? Matzah is crisp and light, with a toasty wheat flavor that stays in the background. That mild taste is why it's so useful for fast meals. It doesn't compete with your toppings. It supports them. It also heats quickly, which matters when you want food now, not later. Traditionally, matzah is eaten during Passover, but plenty of people keep it around year-round. It's shelf-stable. It takes almost no prep. It turns into a meal with one good spread and one good topping. Where matzah shines as flatbread food. Crisp pizzas that bake in minutes. Open-faced sandwiches with spreads, salads and sliced vegetables. Matzah nachos, since breaking it into shards is part of the fun. Sweet snacks, because it's basically a blank canvas for honey, fruit and chocolate. Where it can frustrate you. It breaks easily, especially when you overload the center. It can taste very dry without a spread or fat. It soaks fast, so juicy toppings can turn it limp in a hurry. Choosing the right style helps. Plain matzah is the most neutral. Whole wheat tastes a bit heartier. Some versions come salted, which is handy for savory toppings. Gluten-free matzah exists, but texture varies a lot by brand and starch mix, so expect more fragility. Thickness matters too. Thicker sheets hold toppings better. Thinner ones crisp faster and snap more easily. Storage tip. Keep matzah in a tightly closed bag or container, and add a dry paper towel inside to help it stay crisp once opened. Crispy, chewy, or soft. Quick ways to control the texture. Texture is the whole trick with matzah flatbread food. Pick the finish you want, then treat the matzah for the job. We've covered what matzah is, why it works as flatbread food, and how to control its texture. In part 2, we'll get into easy topping ideas and quick meal combinations you can try at home. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.